So this air pump arrived yesterday through the post, or at least by van. I'm sorry to say it doesn't seem to work. It's been on charge. Well, when it arrived, it was completely flat. It was completely dead. So it's been on charge, left on charge for 4 hours, which is what it says in the book. And it was still flashing one bar on the battery symbol here. So I left it on overnight, and now it is indeed showing full battery. If I unplug it, it is still, unfortunately, completely dead. Press and hold, it says, for 3 seconds to turn it on. Nothing happens. Nothing on the light either. I wonder whether it's needed the hose in, but I've put that in, still makes no difference. So just completely dead. If I plug in the power again, it'll flash for a minute as if it's turning on. It goes back to that sort of battery charging state, still showing full battery, red LED. If I try and start it now, 3 seconds again, nothing, just sits there. If I press this light button, it starts to flash across the LCD, which I think means it's charging. But again, nothing happens. If I just unplug straight away, goes off immediately and just won't come back on. So it seems to be dead on arrival, pretty much. There's something going on, but it's certainly not working as an air pump. Disappointing.